So hello everybody and welcome back to another video. It's Happy Prepper, and in this video we're going to be talking about some survival uses for water bottles, because water bottles and really plastic bottles are found all over the place. So they're really common and we could use them in survival. So especially in urban environments they're really common. So first off, number one is to use it as a survival kit. So just take the water bottle and you could screw off the cap, and since it's watertight, then could stuff stuff in it. And I think this was a trend like a year ago where people would make like water bottle survival kits, but you could put like stuff in there that stuff will fit, especially if it's a bigger bottle, like maybe a Gatorade bottle. It would be better, but really any bottle you could put anything in it and make it waterproof. A plastic bottle, if you can find the cap, because sometimes you can't find the cap. Number two, a fish trap. So if you cut off the top of the bottle and then like basically put it back in, then you have a fish trap for small fish like minnows, because they'll swim in and they can't get out. Along those lines, but they get trapped in there. Same with like, I'm pretty sure crawfish. You just have to bait it with like some extra food or whatever you could find, and that would probably be really good in a survival situation, because you just throw it in and then you wait, and then you could either do hunting or foraging, and then you come back and then you check it. So number three, we talked about storage a little. We talked about getting food, but third is a water filter. So really a lot of things can be used as a water filter, but water bottle can really be used as a good one too. So I have a diagram on the screen right here, and it's a little hard to explain, but I'm gonna try to explain it. You flip it over, put the top back into itself, I believe, and then you fill it with like different stuff to filter it, like sand, charcoal, gravel, and then finer gravel. And then you flip it over, and then the top that you put back in, you put a rock in there so none of the stuff will fall out, and then you could basically cut the bottom off and then put water through it. But the diagram will be on the screen. So I've never really done it before, so I'm not really that experienced in it, but if you want to learn it, highly suggest researching more about it. So thank you guys for watching this really quick video. Please smash that like button and subscribe to Happy Prepper. Share our videos. And our new goal is 10,000 subscribers. So yeah, so please help us get to 10,000 subscribers. I am so appreciative of you helping me this channel get to 6,000 subscribers. Also go follow my Instagram. I'm trying to get it to 100 followers. The Happy Prepper Instagram. It will be in the description below, so just click on the link and go follow it so we can get it to 100 followers, and tell your friends or share it out if you have Instagram or YouTube. So thank you guys for watching. Happy Prepper out.